Today we're going to do things a little different. I'm going to show you how to measure your bathroom floor so you will know exactly how much peel and stick to purchase. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Akila with DIY Power Couple. Whether you're buying peel and stick in the store or online, I'll show you how to calculate your square footage so that you will know how much to get. Okay, so we're gonna get started measuring this bathroom floor. What you're gonna need, or what I use, is a measuring tape, a pencil, and just a sheet of paper so that you can record your measurements. And this bathroom floor is unique because it is an odd-shaped floor. It is not a perfect square. So I'm gonna show you what to do when that might be your situation, and then you'll know exactly how much peel and stick to buy. We will take the measurements together and then make our calculations.
So we're going to start off measuring the length of the furthest wall, and we're going to make all of our measurements in inches, and we'll convert it over to feet at the very end. The nice thing is you do not have to be exact. You can even round up to the nearest number if you need to make it easier. So I'll just show you how we do it. You'll probably be surprised at how much peel and stick we'll actually need. I like to record my measurement numbers with a sketch because a sketch is a great way to remember what you measured. You don't have to be an artist or anything like that. It just helps you to record it in kind of a visual way. Now we're going to take the measurement of this side of the bathroom, but we're going to cut it off at the column. We're doing this so we can get the area of this first section of the bathroom floor, and then we're going to do a second section. Now we're going to measure across to close out this section, and then I'll show you what measurements we use to calculate the area. I'm putting all my measurements on our sketch. I'm going to measure this side of the floor as well, just so I can get all of the measurements for this first section. Now we're going to move on to the second section of our bathroom floor, which is a little more rectangular. This time I'm sketching out the space before I measure so I can get an idea of how the two are relating to each other. Now we're going to measure the longest wall at the other end of the bathroom. The nice thing is we don't have to go behind the toilet to measure that wall. We can just measure the space distance between the walls in front of it. Now that we've taken all of our measurements in this section, we'll add them to our sketch and then convert the inches into feet. This is where we'll need a calculator. Don't worry, we're going to do the numbers together, and I'm also going to leave a link to a square footage calculator in the description below. To find the square footage of our first area, we are going to take the longest length and multiply it by the longest width. Here are our calculations. We divided our inches by 12 to get our feet, and then we multiplied our 2 feet measurements to get our square footage. Now we'll do the same thing for the second section using the longest length and the longest width. Here are the calculations for the second section. We add both sections together, and now we have the total square footage for our bathroom floor. Now let's use our square footage to find out how much peel and stick we would need to buy. According to this chart, 2 boxes will cover 60 square feet, and since we have 53 square feet, 2 boxes of peel and stick is all we need for our bathroom floor. Let's double check this. One box says it covers 36 square feet, so 2 will cover 72. And since we only have 53 square feet, we definitely have enough peel and stick with a little to spare. When you purchase peel and stick online, make sure you know the total square footage of each box. As a DIYer, it's always good to have more tiles than you need. Guys, can you see why we love peel and stick? It only takes a few boxes to transform your entire bathroom floor. Now you know how to measure your floor and calculate your square footage for peel and stick.
If you're ready to do a peel and stick DIY project, we have an entire playlist for you to help you, to give you ideas on how to install it, and hopefully we'll answer any question that you have. And remember, you can DIY too. We'll see you in the next video.